the Perky-Pet 203CPBN-2 pinch waist glass. Hummingbird feeder by Perky-Pet is a well-crafted feeder designed specifically for attracting and feeding hummingbirds. Made from durable glass, this feeder not only enhances the beauty of your outdoor space but also provides a reliable feeding station for these delicate creatures. One of the standout features of this hummingbird feeder is its built-in ant moat, which helps prevent unwanted pests from accessing the nectar. This thoughtful design element ensures that the hummingbirds have access to clean, uncontaminated food at all times, promoting their health and well-being. The pinch waist design of the feeder makes it not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, as it provides hummingbirds with easy access to the nectar. The transparent glass construction allows you to monitor the nectar levels easily, enabling timely refills to ensure that the hummingbirds always have a fresh supply of food. Ideal for use in gardens, patios,